What? What? I thought they sent me an 8-inch pan. The box was so small. This is a 10-inch skillet. That's a very attractive handle. Machining looks pretty smooth. That you attach yourself. Now I have never purchased a skillet where I had to attach the handle. This, I don't even know how to pronounce it. LIGTSPCE. Take it out of the bag. It's a LIGTSPCE can. It's a LIGTSPCE. LIGTSPCE pan hybrid. Look at that. Look at that. It's bumpy like cast iron. It's supposed to be kind of a HexClad like type thing. Tiny little bumpies. Tiny bumpies. I'll take a picture and we'll do a close-up, okay? Show the picture. It was only $25 shipped prime. That's a very attractive pan. But it's supposed to be rather non-stick and a little HexClad type thing. Hybrid pan. I wanted to get another 10-inch non-stick skillet. This is PFOA free. If you're online paying attention to HexClad, they're being sued, I think, right, for PFOA. The reviews seemed pretty good for this pan. Maybe they're all fake. Maybe they're all fake reviews. If I had looked at some of the videos on Amazon, I would have seen that I have to attach the handle. That's a first. And you've got the bolts. And there are no rivets on the inside. That's good. I did not expect, and I like the little lip. There's a little lip that will go into the center of this. And this little lip will help lock the handle in place. That's good, but I don't see a locking washer or anything. Okay, feels very good in the hand. Very good handle. It's got pretty good weight. It's very attractive. Is it a piece of garbage? I don't know. I gotta get a mag glass. Let's take a look with the mag glass. Hang on a second. Let's just see. Okay, I see the dots. There are a lot of dots. I think they say laser dot technology. Laser dot. So all these little dots are silver. And they're exposed. And there are millions of them. With what I think is nonstick coating in between. The edge is much more HexClad-y type thing. Let's just take a quick look. Composite steel. Multi-layer composite steel effectively solves the heat conduction problem. Spotted laser tech. Matrix inside the pan isolates the food from the surface, forming a non-stick effect. Do not store food and water, especially salt water, acid or alkaline, damage the surface of the product. I have no idea what's in there. It's a mystery pan. Both iron and steel spatula can be used for frying, stewing, steaming, frying. Both iron and steel spatula can be used for frying, steaming, stewing, frying. That's funny. Am I reading it wrong? I'm not drinking. Both iron and steel spatula can be used for frying, stewing, steaming, frying, and stewing. That's funny. That's really funny. That's really funny. I'm going to read it again. Both iron and steel spatula can be used for frying, stewing, steaming, frying, and stewing. Universal for induction. That's hysterical. Was that laugh worth $25? All I really know is there's a lot of dots. I guess we're gonna have to try and make some eggs tomorrow morning.
Oh, you're kidding me. Why? The little fork. Where's the little fork? Are you serious? Okay, no little fork.
If we don't cut it open, it didn't happen. Oh, that looks nice. Ooh. That over here. That is a very nice pink for me. You might like it more well done. Come on, man. boy. I gotta try a piece. Where's the little fork? Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Can you see how pink that is? I'll put it on a blue plate. Needs a little salt. Come on now. Oh. Oh. That's the color I like. That is the color I like. I'm just saying. I'm gonna eat some steak. I'll be back. We'll talk about the pan. Good Monday. Before we talk about the pan, let's just see if the bolts are still tight. Yes. 2 cooks and the bolts are still tight. Ah, the nuts. The nuts are still tight. I'm pretty happy with this pan for $25. These HexClad and these alternative hybrid pans are billed as being non-stick when the truth is, and you might know this already, it's half true. You have a non-stick coating, but you have exposed stainless steel. So it's not as non-stick as it would be if you didn't have the little bumps and hills and valleys. The difference is you can use metal utensils in this, and the metal will never reach that little valley of non-stick. This does measure like a 10 1/8. It has a wide lip. I like that the edge is not sharp. There is no aluminum core like HexClad, so it's not tri-ply, it's multiply steel, and I don't really know exactly what that means in this case. I did go and order the 12-inch. It's $27 shipped. This cooking area is pretty small. It's a pretty small cooking surface. So I'm hoping that the 12-inch will give me a little bit more room. I don't know if this is a waste of money. Non-stick does fail over time. If it does start to come up, can I scrub it with a wire brush and still use it? It's not like a normal non-stick pan. We can do a month update. I want to try corned beef hash in the 12-inch skillet, which I've heard is more like 11.5 or 11.8, so we'll find out. The reviews for HexClad and the reviews for this, they're mixed. A lot of people say it's great for burgers, steaks, chops, but not for eggs. And anyone who tries to cook an egg in here without oil or butter, that's just crazy. I'm sorry, who's gonna cook an egg in there without any fat? I don't mind having to attach the handle. I think you save money that way. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm gonna say. What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching.